Welcome. This is Neco, year 2019 test of oral English past question. Question number 58. We are using the same instruction. Looking out for the option that has this given phonetic symbol, and the symbol can be best represented this way. Not all sound. So option A is pronounced as false. So what we have in option A is all sound, false. Option B is pronounced as freak. Option C is pronounced as groin. Option D is pronounced as jolly, while option E is pronounced as violent, not violent as people always call it. So the correct option here is option C, because option C feature the given phonetic symbol. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.